this session, we are going to learn to make a paper house that becomes part of an entire paper village. This is a very simple craft, and these are some options that you can use to make your house as part of your paper village. What we're going to need to make this craft, of course, is a roll, any size of roll, piece of paper that can go around the roll, a piece of paper that we can use as the roof, and a piece of paper to make windows and doors. We're going to need a marker, a ruler, a pencil, scissors, and some glue. Let's get started. We're first going to cover our paper roll with paper. Now, we're going to measure to make sure that this is going to fit around our roll. Yes, it is. So we are going to apply glue to our paper on one side so we can start the process. Make sure it's lined up before we apply more glue. And once we're sure it's okay, we're going to apply glue to the rest of the paper. There we have our paper roll. The next thing we need would be a roof. You want a piece of paper that covers the base of the roll. We're going to measure by hand what we think our roof is going to be. I think this amount is enough. So I'm going to cut my strip of paper, cut that piece off just to fit my roll. I'm going to fold it into two to make the top of the roof, as you can see, like so. But before I attach it, I'm going to put a pattern on my roof. Now I'm going to draw some squiggles. Here are some other ideas of patterns that you can make. You can make a crisscross pattern. You can make some squiggles with some lines like so. You can make plain lines. You can make triangles. Whatever works for you. I am just going to make some, and I'm going to make my squiggles this way. Can you think of how many things you can do with this project? You can make an ancient village. You can make an urban village. You can put a whole village with a firehouse and a police station. Okay, my roof is finished, and I'm going to attach my roof using some glue to the top of my roll. I'm going to put some glue at the top of my roll where the roof is going to hit the roll, like so. And I'm going to hold it in place until I'm sure that it's secure. I'm going to leave that to dry while I prepare my windows and my doors. In order to prepare my windows and my doors, I'm going to draw. First of all, I'm going to draw a door. What I think a door would be like. I think I'm going to put some panels on my door. And then I'm going to draw windows. I think I'll do an arched window like so. If you think I'm not a very good drawer, you're right. That's okay. Now I'm going to cut my windows and my door out. And now I'm going to attach my door to my roll. I'm going to glue Stick my door on. And I've decided this is the front of my house because my roof is going that way. So I'm going to stick my door down, and then I am going to stick my 2 windows. And there I have my paper house that is part of my village. I hope you have lots of fun making these houses. Remember to check us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.